Revitibrow Advanced Eyebrow Conditioner. Apply once a day to clean and dry eyebrows using a few short strokes following the contours of your eyebrows' natural shape. For best results, use consistently and be sure to let dry before applying any facial products. Daily use of this product leads to bold, beautiful brows.
Listen, your eyebrows need some help. Take a seat. At Joey Healy Eyebrow Studio, we offer eyebrow shaping, tinting, trimming, and all of the above combined with the Eyebrow Blueprint. We believe in tweezing only. No waxing, no threading. It's just more precise and artistic. It's located in Union Square at 51 University Place. Easily book an appointment on joeyhealy.com with our free app or by giving us a call.